112 AI tools. The definitive AI tools list guide. This will growth hack every aspect of your business and life. Thousands of AI tools are popping up every day. The purpose of this video is to filter and select only the best for your every need. Coming up, photorealistic AI videos, AI viral tools, one-click video editing, one-click websites and apps, cloning your digital self, even use AI to get a date. 100 more unique tools. Hit subscribe. Let's begin. AI idea generation tools. 1. Idea Node. Generate innovative ideas for your business in seconds. Enter your idea purpose and project summary and you're set. Feedback by AI. Just enter your business idea and get feedback from 5 characters like investor, product hunter, student, psychologist, etc. Business generator, Versal. Just enter your business model, revenue model, and industry and get business plan, MVP plan, and market fit details with one click. AI business plan and MVP tools. 1. Venturous AI. With Venturous AI, you can test your ideas for market fit before you create your MVP. It will give you info like SWOT analysis, pestle analysis, marketing strategies, and even more. 2. Mixo.io. Use this to create one-click startup brands within seconds. Get logo, copy, the entire website design, everything done for you within seconds to test your MVP ideas. 3. Tool Builder AI. Create hundreds of tools to automate majority business tasks based on your unique use cases, all within minutes if not, or access thousands of different AI tools created by other creators based on your use case. 4. Cheat Layer. Get ready-made business automations at the click of a button, ranging from social media posting to website assessment to even lead gen. Use their Project Atlas to create custom Chrome extension to solve any business need. AI website builder tools. 1. Framer. Turn your raw idea you have in your mind into an actual website within seconds. Tweak, edit, and do a lot of crazy things with it, all done within seconds, and you have a website ready for your brand. 2. Butternut AI. Just enter the name of your business and the main keywords, and it will create a stunning website within 20 to 30 seconds. 3. 10web.io. So you can use this website by just selecting your industry, and it will create a custom website with custom images, content, and a drag and drop build. 4. Studio AI. Simply ask Studio AI's intuitive AI chatbot to make changes and edits on your website and see them being done in a jiffy. 5. Code WP. This is an AI code generator that generates custom code for your website based on your prompts. 6. GetResponse AI Web Builder. Just select your industry and the features you want and get a fully fledged website with content, images, and powerful features. Side note, if you're noticing, I'm giving you the exact links to access the sites along with the names so you don't have to go through hoops. If you're liking the value, please give it a like and subscribe. Tons more value upcoming covering every aspect of business and life. AI app builder tools. 1. AppyPie. Simply enter what kind of app you want to build and get template ready within seconds and with many attractive options. 2. Builder AI. Use Builder's AI project manager Natasha. Based on the kind of app you're building, she will recommend the features you need and create a prototype for you. She will create a build card, then use automation to turn designer's screen into code. AI market research tools. Number 1. Viral views. Use the power of AI to track hundreds of accounts to discover social media trends. Number 2. Persist AI. Enter a picture and use AI to generate relevant hashtags. Also, this tool has a great social media competitor research tool. AI content writing tools. Part 1. AI content blogging tools. 1. Content bot AI. Enter your product name, description, and keywords and get a fully fledged landing page within seconds of doing it using AI. 2. Phrase.io. Use AI to research and write high quality SEO content while finding content gaps so you can answer relevant questions and get on top of search rankings. 3. Longshot AI. Use AI to create long form content for your blogs super fast. 4. AI Suggests. Use over 20 plus templates to create any kind of content using AI. 5. QA Pop. First use AI to find relevant questions to answer on Quora and then use AI to write those answers. 6. Yara AI. This is another great AI long form content writer that can generate high quality original content within seconds. Part 2. AI copywriting tools. 1. Lead scripts. This is an all-purpose AI copywriting tool and it's specially useful for creating lead magnets. 2. Copy AI. Copy AI has one of the largest copywriting AI templates, and with its brand voice feature, you can upload your past content and let Copy AI adopt your tone and language for future content pieces. Part 3, AI email marketing tools. 1. Email writer. With email writer, you get tons of different emails to choose from. You can write SaaS mails, newsletter, marketing, sales mails, a lot of things. 2. Writer. Their new newsletter tool is very powerful, and you can create daily newsletter emails or newsletter sequences very easily with them. Part 4, AI music generator tool, SoundDraw. With SoundDraw, you can select the length of music and the mood, and AI will generate the perfect backing soundtrack for your content pieces. Part 5, AI transcription tool, Happy Scribe. Just upload your video and select your natural accent with which you recorded the video, and Happy Scribe will give you near perfect transcription with the help of AI. AI text to speech tools, PlayHT. Use AI to convert blogs into podcasts with multiple voices. 2. Natural readers. Realistic AI voices reading aloud your PDFs, books, and websites. AI content detector tools. GPT-0. One of the strongest AI content detection tools. 2. Winston AI. Another great AI content detection tool that claims 99.6% accuracy. AI art generator tools. 1. Bing AI art generator. This is my go-to tool for creating outlandish, eye-catchy thumbnails for YouTube and also other fun, imaginative social media creatives. 2. Microsoft Designer. Edit your Bing images on this with simple prompts. 3. Leonardo AI art. A good alternative to Bing AI with lots of added features. 4. Lexica art. Get prompt inspiration for your next Midjourney AI art project. 5. Promptomania, a cool mid-journey prompt builder tool with presets to build eye-catchy art. AI photo editor tools. 1. Magic Studio. Use this for removing backgrounds or unwanted objects with precision. 2. Interior AI. Use AI to get photorealistic interior design ideas for your office or room. 3. Luma AI. Generate high-quality photorealistic assets and environments in minutes. AI text to video tools. 1. In video. Just enter your article and see it getting converted to video with few clicks. 2. Lumen 5. One of the early AI text to video tools, does the core job very well of converting text to eye-catchy videos. 3. Pictory. Video highlights, auto summaries, text to video, and also edit video using text with this tool. 4. Rocketium. Another great text to video alternative targeted towards bigger remote teams. AI video editor tools. 1. Video. Manage everything from one-click video creation to removing background noise, music visualizer, and auto transcriptions. 2. Decoherence. From photorealistic AI videos to animations, it can be a great fit for social content. 3. Runway ML. Generate photorealistic looking human beings doing commercials for your product with AI. 4. VoiceCut. AI-based one-click video editing, everything from noise cancellation, transcriptions, auto-cut silences, smart background music, and more. 5. Synthesia AI. Use photorealistic AI talking heads to present your videos. AI audio podcasting tools. 1. Descript. Create an AI clone of your voice and add words post-production by simply typing them. 2. Cast Magic. Create multiple content assets from your podcast with AI. AI marketing tools. AI content marketing tools. 1. Dectopus. Use AI to create presentations on any topic with a single click. 2. GigaBrain. Use AI to automatically find the most relevant comments from billions of Reddit conversations. 3. Marketing Blocks. An all-in-one AI marketing assistant to create landing pages, videos, and ads. Part 2. AI social media tools. 1. Ads Creative. Create ads and social media creatives using AI. 2. Digital First AI. Get AI to recommend the best marketing strategies for your goals. 3. Okoa. Use AI to create social content faster and better. Part 3. AI ads and PPC tools. 1. AdsBot. Google Ads automation and optimization using AI. 2. AdZoomer. Use its opportunity feature to optimize your campaign on 50 customizable opportunities. Part 4. YouTube marketing tools. 1. vidIQ. Use its AI coach feature to speed up your YouTube SEO. 2. Munch AI. Use AI to convert long-form videos into bite-sized, impactful clips. AI branding tools. 1. Stock Image AI. Generate unique QR codes that are consistent with your branding. 2. Flare AI. Create visually attractive scenes and settings to showcase your e-commerce products in their best form. 3. Logo AI. Enter your business name and slogan and get many logo options in few seconds. 4. Logo.com. Another great AI logo making alternative to Logo AI. AI lead generation tools. 1. Be Human. Personalize lead outreach by creating thousands of clone video versions of you. 2. Copilot AI. Use AI to power up LinkedIn replies by sending personalized messages that are proven to work. 3. eCold AI. Personalize hundreds of cold emails within seconds. 4. Lead IQ. Capture the right lead and draft personalized email in seconds. 5. Lunch Club. Let AI play matchmaker to grow your professional network fast. 6. Social Book AI Avatar. Create cool AI headshot versions of you within seconds using AI. 7. Photo AI. Use this for creating AI-generated LinkedIn headshots for your profile. AI customer support tools. 1. Botsonic. Use AI to make your knowledge base chat ready for customers to get help. 2. Dante AI. Create personalized AI chatbots trained on your data. 3. Nibble AI. Upload relevant docs and create custom chatbots for your site. AI course creator tools. 1. Heights platform. Generate a course outline, description, and cover image, or even ask questions on course creation. 2. Mini course generator. Enter your course topic and description and create a mini course with AI within a few seconds. AI legal research tools. AI lawyer. Simplify legal language and get legal information using power of AI. Having said that, consider using this tool only for casual preliminary legal research. For accurate legal info and research, I would suggest to hire a lawyer. AI productivity tools. 1. Taskade. AI-powered template generation and scheduler to get things done fast. 2. 85. Get AI-powered YouTube summaries within seconds. 3. Guide. Create video documentation choosing from 100 AI voices. 4. Merlin AI. Get access to ChatGPT on all websites with one click. 5. Rewind AI. Record your work operations on Mac and iPhone to make it searchable so you do not lose any critical info ever. 6. Notion AI. Summarize meetings into tables, create content, brainstorm, and organize. 7. Summarize. Summarize any text with one click. 8. Glean. AI-powered workplace search to find solutions to your problems fast. 9. Personal AI. Clone digital version of you to automate conversations on your behalf when speaking with friends, peers, and coworkers. 10. Spoke AI. Rapid AI-powered meeting reports with video highlights and intelligent search. AI remote collaboration tools. 1. Naughty AI. Get meeting summaries, follow-ups, transcriptions to get the most out of your meetings. 2. Crisp AI. AI-powered noise and echo cancellation and accent localization tool for better meeting. 3. Fireflies AI. Analyze your meetings with conversational intelligence and get action items and questions and tasks. AI data capture tools. 1. Nanonets. Capture data from important documents like invoices instantly with OCR technology. 2. Rosum AI. Another great data capture tool that uses optical character recognition technology. AI communication tools. 1. Crystal Knows. Use AI to know how to communicate with the buyer based on their personality. 2. Chorus AI. Conversational intelligence platform that records and analyzes your business conversations to give insights and actionable coaching info. AI mindfulness tools. 1. Ogimi. Personalized meditations generated by AI to meet your personal challenges. 2. Brain FM. Set AI generated background music and effects for relaxing, focus, or sleep. 3. Uper AI. Get tailored solutions for your mental well being via meaningful conversations with AI. 4. Dexa AI. An AI tool trained on some of the biggest podcasts in the world like Huberman Lab to solve your life issues. AI all-purpose assistants. 1. Llama 2. An AI-powered assistant from Meta helping you with everything from generating schedule to sending mails. 2. ChatGPT, the OG AI-powered AI assistant. Automate content, send mails, brainstorm, to name a few of the features. 3. Claude AI, next generation AI assistant to do your digital tasks. 4. Bard, a power-packed AI personal assistant from Google. AI fun tools. 1. LE5. Simplify the most complex topics with simple explanations using AI. 2. Hello History. Chat with AI powered historical personalities and ask relevant questions. 3. Palette FM. Colorize old photos and make them look brand new. 4. Playlist app. Enter a prompt based on your mood and get a ready-made playlist on Spotify. 5. Topaz Labs. Improve old photos and videos and enhance them for the modern world. 6. Hugging Face. Try and test new AI tech with this site. 7. Meet Millie. Let AI be your wingman as it recommends perfect text replies for your online dating app chat. 8. Excuse Generator. A fun AI tool to generate excuses for you so you don't have to. Now that we have the best AI list, how do we use them to explore some untapped AI money-making opportunities? That's what's coming in the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Also, I've done some deep dives of AI tools. Check it out on my channel. Hit a like if you like the video. Comment your questions and thoughts. See you in the next one.